Sedum Atlantis is a plant to revere. It was the Chelsea Flower Show Plant of the Year in 2019. Now, that is an accolade that only one plant per year ever receives. And for any plant to get that, it has to be an outstanding performer. When you actually look at what this plant does, it really does tick almost every box. When it emerges from its dormant state, so over winter it dies completely down to ground level. So if you get this and you plant it and you think, oh my goodness, it's gone, it hasn't, it's just down below ground level over the winter months. When it emerges, the new foliage will at the first stage be cream in colour. Then you'll notice that the variegation starts to take hold. Now on this plant you can see a combination of some branches where it literally is pure cream, and then others, as they're maturing, are taking on that green and cream combination, which looks stunning. The flowers that appear at the end of every rosette, and this forms beautiful variegated rosettes by around about June into July every year, these will open up and form the most attractive golden yellow flowers. And that will happen through July and August and into September. But it doesn't end there, because when it finishes flowering and we start to approach the autumn period, the flowers will come to their natural end, but the foliage takes on another twist and starts to do colour changing again. But this time, having started cream and then gone cream and green, the foliage then takes on a pink tinge as we approach the autumn. So this is going to give you around about 6 months of garden interest every single year, because it's totally, utterly winter hardy. So outdoors in the UK, it's the perfect plant. It will grow, its common name actually is Stonecrop. So this will grow in impoverished soil, very, very free draining areas where other things may not thrive. This particular plant will do so well in that situation. So if you've got a little area where there's lots of stones in the soil and you can't seem to get other things to really establish well there, this could be the perfect plant for that situation. So it really is a hard worker, with foliage colour changing, with those beautiful summer flowers, and the fact that it's totally winter hardy and perfect for those difficult to plant areas. So Sedum Atlantis, Chelsea Flower Show, Plant of the Year 2019. This is the perfect plant for any garden here in the UK.